So drones, yeah, we have this big, thing going on with drones in New Jersey and everywhere. And then it added a fact on that there was a shipment going to a diagnostic center that had a very small amount of really concentrated nuclear material. So the theory was the drones are up there looking for that, but it went missing on December 1st and was found on December 10th in a FedEx shipping facility. I don't know whether the crate got broken. They said they received it broken, nothing in it. So I don't know whether this was just sitting there next to people and they were walking by it or sitting next to it all the time. But anyway, it was found. So it can't be that. I mean, there's still different rumors going on and different things, but, an awful lot of people have these drones now. And can I just say this? A lot of people are very irresponsible. And so, it could be a group of people just flying these things around. Maybe I still tend to think that it's something that the government is doing to some extent. But so anyway, I just wanted to share that the nuclear. Now, could they be looking for a dirty bomb? Well, I suppose that's possible. But again, how much, measuring background radiation and knowing what it normally is, would those drones measure? And maybe it's possible. Of course, Trump's telling Biden he has to come clean with what he knows, and they're saying, oh, there's nothing to be worried about, and I can't tell you anything other than that. It's classified. So that never sounds good, does it? Because it's like, okay, if there was a big threat in New Jersey, and you were to say, yeah, there's a bomb that could go off in New Jersey's capital city, what may happen? All kinds of people would get killed just trying to flee the area. So they do try to not create a panic too. So, but I don't know. It could just be a bunch of people, like I say, getting up there, with their LED lights on their little drones and just up there playing around, making it look like something it isn't. But the sad thing is we're so ripe for some type of conspiracy. We want something like that to be, we want it to be, UFOs, things from another planet even. We want the government to be involved in it. We just don't want it to be like irresponsible American citizens that are just lighting up the night sky with these. But it does present the idea that drone flying needs more regulation. I guess once they go over a certain weight, they're regulated, but I think there has to be more regulation done on them so that, I don't know, who owns them or something. They have numbers on them. So if someone finds it, they can get it back to the right person, have to be registered or something. But we'll see what happens. I just want to share that about the nuclear material being found a while ago. Bye.